remove the dry FloodSax from its protective plastic wrapper and soak the FloodSax in water. After a few minutes soaking, remove the activated FloodSax from the water and use it just like a normal sandbag. FloodSax are biodegradable, so need no special disposal arrangements after use. Use dry FloodSax behind doors to stop floodwater from seeping under the door and over the threshold. And if any does seep through, the dry FloodSax will soak it up. Build a wall with FloodSax to hold water back and deflect water flows. Place activated FloodSax in front of doors to prevent water seeping into a building. Place a dry, unactivated FloodSax in the toilet bowl to stop rising floodwater from washing sewage back into your property. For more information, visit www.edslimited.co.uk.